Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic, and today we are going to talk about 7 fragrances with orange flower. I really do love this note. It evokes the feelings of summer, beautiful narcotic flowers, but at the same time they have some freshness to them and of course a citrusy vibe, so I absolutely love it. If you are interested what are my picks of orange blossom fragrances, please stay with me. My name is Justina, this is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. Alright, so I think it's one of the most perfect notes for the summer, of course, when it's given you more fresh, when it's more, you know, when it's without gourmand notes. However, I will have here also gourmand leaning fragrances, and let's start with the first one, which is of course the classic, but I couldn't miss it because, you know, as I said, it's orange blossom classic already, and I do not have a bottle of it. However, I do recommend Kilian Love Don't Be Shy. This one is just a classic, as I said, and it's said to be Rihanna's signature scent. I really do doubt that she's wearing it now, but a couple of years ago, when she admitted that she wears Kilian Love Don't Be Shy, the world went crazy and this perfume sell out very, very quickly. This one is Orange Blossom, which is portrayed very, very sweet, very gourmand. Of course, it's combined with marshmallows. It gives you this syrupy, sweet orange blossom effect. If you like this gourmand effect, if you like orange blossom, if you like your perfumes to be sunny but very, very sweet at the same time, I think Love Don't Be Shy is your way to go. Not necessarily original, maybe. Maybe you can find something from Arabic brands, Middle Eastern brands, or even a dupe. If you are, you know, if you are hesitant to spend the whole price for Kilian Love Don't Be Shy because it's not that cheap. However, I still think this scent profile is very iconic, and it is easy to find it actually in any other perfume brands. So yeah, Kilian Love Don't Be Shy as a first fragrance. Another one is a new perfume from Micallef, and this one I've been given by the brand, so I'm very happy about that, and it's O Feminin. This one is absolutely beautiful, French style portrayal of orange blossom. Very beautiful, exquisite. It's like a very chic, elegant woman wearing orange blossom perfume. That's what it is. The longevity and scent trail are just luxurious, beautiful. It is nothing groundbreaking, you know. We all know orange blossom perfumes, orange blossom fragrances, so you can feel it here right away, but it's done in Micallef style. You know what I mean? If you know Micallef perfumes, then you know it's signature and Micallef. It is crystal clear, transparent, very, very elegant, sophisticated. So if you are looking for very elegant, innocent, but at the same time very feminine orange blossom perfume, I think O Feminin is your way to go. Very, very beautiful, classy, sophistication. So yeah, O Feminin from Micallef. And another one is from the Sicilian brand. This one is not very much talked about because mainly you can get this brand in Italy, on Sicily, especially in Taormina. And I have here Narcisse Taormina, and it's Zagara. And this one, look at this sticker. So beautiful, sophisticated. And this bottle is very simple, but thanks to this sticker, it is just beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful, like really beautiful Italian style. And Zagara is a beautiful, sunny orange blossom. This is orange blossom to the max. Different than O Feminin, definitely. It is more prominent, it is more harsh, but at the same time, very, very beautiful. And I must admit, it behaves very beautifully in a very high heat. Now I'm bothered with many, many fragrances when there is so hot outside. I cannot wear anything too heavy because, you know, everything becomes very, very cloying very quickly. But this one gives you beautiful, beautiful, little bitter freshness from orange blossom. So it's really, really good, really nice, beautiful smelling, very unisex for me. Actually, orange blossom and neroli, which is an oil from orange flower, gives you this beautiful, zingy, zesty, slightly bitter feel. And for me, in my opinion, it's just perfect for summer. Of course, if it's not paired with any gourmand note, for me, for example, Kilian Love Don't Be Shy is too much in a high heat. Other than that, such orange blossom perfumes as Zagara, for example, are just perfect for high heat. So yeah, Zagara from Narcisse Taormina. And another one will be on the sweeter side, very sweet side actually, but I cannot stop myself lately. And I don't know, I feel the need to reach for it. Actually, I have it here on my hand. This one is more associated with fall and winter, but still, I need to recommend because it's not recommended enough, I think. Elie Saab, Girl of Now. And it smells like a good times for me. Beautiful. This orange blossom is sunny here. Sunny, sweet, uplifting, very happy. It's combined, of course, with tonka, which gives this flower, this orange blossom, this almondy feel, which I absolutely love. You have almonds in here as well. Pistachio. Other white flowers, I believe. So beautiful. It's like honeyed pistachios, nuts combined with orange flower, which is very intense, very uplifting, as I said, very happy, elegant at the same time, but flirty. So beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And the scent trail and the longevity are just stellar. So I highly, highly recommend this scent. Girl of Now from Elie Saab. I really do love this scent. So yeah, Elie Saab from Girl of Now from Elie Saab. And another one is from Carner, Barcelona. And here we have Summer Freshie, like typical Summer Freshie. I really do like this fragrance. This one leans more soapy. So if you want to have orange blossom that is more soapy, this is your way to go. Bobo from Carner, Barcelona. Very beautiful. I have a feeling when I smell this fragrance, when I first tested it actually, I felt like I was sniffing this, you know, bubbles in the air. Like, you know, when you're a child and you were popping the bubbles from soap, that's the feeling I get with this fragrance. So if you do not like soapy, maybe steer clear from this. But other than that, if you are like me and you like your freshies to be more laundry-like or soapy-like, this one is your way to go. Beautiful. It has orange blossom, of course. It has lily of the valley. In the base, it has musk. It has vetiver. Slight amount of patchouli, but it is nothing too heavy. It only gives you this beautiful greenness. So nice. And in the top notes, you have those beautiful citruses as well. So all of that combined with those white flowers, meaning lily of the valley and orange blossom, gives you beautiful, beautiful concoction. Absolutely love Bobo. It maybe doesn't last that long, but let's be honest, everything in the heat disappears very, very quickly. But this one is so, so good. Not groundbreaking either, but luxurious smelling, you know. I really do like it. I really do like it. Bobo was on my list for such a long time now, and I was kindly gifted by the brand, so I'm very happy about that. So beautiful and perfect, perfect, perfect summer freshie. Bobo from Carner, Barcelona. And another one is from Giardini di Toscana, and of course from Giardini di Toscana, Bianco Latte is very popular, Celeste, you name it. Mainly Bianco Latte and Bora Bora as well, of course, which is very, very beautiful tropical fragrance. However, when we think Italian summer, what comes to mind? At least for me and to my mind, Colonia Nobile. This one is absolutely beautiful, bitter orange, I mean not bitter orange, but bitter orange flower fragrance. And actually it doesn't list orange blossom, orange flower in the breakdown of notes. It has neroli, but as I said, neroli is an oil from orange blossom, so I think we are safe to say that this one definitely has this orange blossom feel. It is much more bitter, much more fresh than typical orange blossom, because typical orange blossom tends to be more sweet, more, you know, narcotic even sometimes. But here, this one is bitter, this one is sharp, this one is a little bit sweet as well, like bittersweet. Beautiful citrusy fragrance, like typical Colonia, but this one is really, it's lasting really long time. It lasts you the whole day, which is unusual with the scent profile, so definitely you need to check it out. I absolutely love it. It has this beautiful greenness and it smells just amazing. Leaves massive, absolutely massive scent trail. Lasts the whole day. My husband uses this fragrance very often, just perfect for the summer, and he really smells with this fragrance the whole day, really. It stays on clothes very long time, on your hair. Beautiful, very sunny, Italian in the bottle, you know, Italy in the bottle. So Colonia Nobile. And the last fragrance is a fragrance that is very affordable, but it's often, you know, omitted, and I don't think many people is talking about it anymore, which is too bad because it's so good. I have 10 ml here. It's Trussardi Donna, and this one is another Italian brand, and I have here 10 ml, which I'm using like crazy lately, so I think I would need to have a full bottle very soon. It is created by Natalie Lawson, so you have very noble name here when it comes to perfumes. Absolutely beautiful, you know. It doesn't have this very prominent orange blossom feel. However, definitely you have this beautiful citrusy, white flowery concoction, which is fresh and very elegant. Very, I would say, maybe Chanel-like, very classy and classic and sophisticated in a very beautiful way. If you're looking for very expensive smelling perfume and you are on the budget, you need to get Trussardi Donna. This for me is just amazing. As I said, not many people is talking about it, and I don't know why, because it's so good. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, Trussardi Donna, it lasts really long time. It garners compliments. Last time I had it, I was wearing this perfume to work, and my colleague said I smell really beautiful because it's not too heavy. It's not too much of anything actually. It's a perfect balance between citrusy, flowery. Sometimes those citrus fragrances go too sour on my skin. Sometimes the flowers are too sweet, especially in a high heat, because when, you know, when it's slightly cooler outside, it's fine. But when there is a high heat, you need something just right, just perfect, just perfectly balanced. And this is for me Trussardi Donna. So nice. So I highly recommend if you are on a budget and you're looking for a very beautiful fragrance. So that was it for today. If you are interested in Carner Barcelona, for example, you have a coupon code in the description box. Everything will be in the description box anyways. Let me know what are your favorite orange blossom fragrances. Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.